In layman's terms, SIEM is a tool that collects data from your on-premise and cloud-based systems and infrastructure, identifies abnormal events and issues, alerts on these events, and takes reasonable and appropriate action. SIEM tools can often be linked to a security operations center, or a SOC, to allow 24/7 monitoring of the tool and offer a near immediate first-line response to any security issues the SIEM tool may identify. If you're responsible for managing the security of your organization's IT infrastructure, then SIEM helps alert you to security issues you may otherwise miss due to a lack of resource, time, and potentially knowledge. Here's a common scenario. You're the IT manager for a business, responsible for the day-to-day running of the IT systems, both on-premise and in the cloud. You're pulled from pillar to post firefighting issues, managing your users, servers, firewalls, and Microsoft 365 accounts, all whilst trying to keep the business safe from the latest cyber threats by monitoring your security services and making sure your systems are backed up and recoverable in the event the worst does happen. It seems like an impossible task to thoroughly monitor everything and be 100% sure that the business has no vulnerabilities, or hasn't already been breached and there isn't someone camping on the network waiting for the perfect time to deploy ransomware. Well, this is exactly where a SIEM tool can help. By collecting security-related logs and events from your network devices, servers, firewalls, cybersecurity services such as EDR, and your cloud services, and displaying them in a centralized management console where the noise is filtered out and security incidents are prioritized, you're able to spot patterns that are unusual and identify vulnerabilities within your infrastructure which would otherwise slip through the cracks. Furthermore, by using SIEM with a 24/7 SOC, these alerts and vulnerabilities can be managed by cybersecurity professionals, taking the burden off of the IT manager and giving you the peace of mind that your infrastructure is secure and in good hands. For more information on SIEM, or to work with the Cyber Essentials Plus and ISO 27001 certified IT and cybersecurity provider to help you manage the security of your business, then get in touch with us at Defu. The contact details are in the description and we'll see you in the next video.